Hey, it's Gina with WTI. And if you're looking for the luxury upgrade in your bathroom with an easy to use but top of the line bidet toilet, you have got to check out this one that we got from AKNIRL. There is really nothing better than being able to sit on a heated seat and to have your derriere washed to cleanliness by oscillating nozzles front and back, and be able to change the position of those nozzles so that you can get it to the perfect spot for you. The water temperature comes out very warm. In fact, there are 4 different temperatures, including having it completely off if that's what you prefer. You can see the seat temperature on the back of the toilet, and again, you can choose to have that up to 99 degrees. This toilet has UV sterilization, and if you're worried that you won't be able to flush this if the power goes out, it has emergency battery backup. And you just use the knob on the side, a short press, and then see how it flushes without being plugged in. And this dries you off. Just look how strong this breeze is. You can change the temperature on that too. There's also a flush button in the front, and this has a very slow, very soft close to it. Installation went quickly. In fact, the toilet comes with everything that you need, including a new valve. This toilet is the perfect modern addition to your bathroom. Don't wait another minute to upgrade your lifestyle. Get yourselves one of these smart bidet toilets from AKNIRL. You are not going to be disappointed, and that's my point of view.